Welcome to Bedtime Welsh. And the idea here is that I'm going to share what I do with my kids, but packaged into Welsh so that you can teach your kids a little bit of Welsh each evening while you're into self isolation or social distancing or lockdown or whatever it'll be. Um, so, my name is Adam Jones. I wrote the Say Something In method. People have been asking us to do stuff for kids for a long time, and I have been working on it, but it's complicated. And then it just occurred to me that I could just share what I do with my own kids to teach them a little bit of French and Spanish. So that's what we're going to be doing, just a kind of daily little set of prompts that you can do at bedtime or any other time that you're still speaking to your kids. And then a few other people have put their hands up. They said they're going to try and transfer it into other languages. So they'll be working from these prompts. And I'm just going to be doing it on the fly. It could all go horribly wrong, but it's a fairly robust method. So even if we don't get it right all the time, it should still be pretty valuable for the kids. And hopefully it'll be something positive and worthwhile for you to be getting your teeth into while we're obviously going through a pretty tough old time. So any questions about it, just shout out in Slack. I probably won't have a lot of time to answer many of them, but there should be a few other people in there, and I'm sure we'll pull together to try and help everybody through. But when I can answer them, I will. And in the meantime, we're going to start in the very near future, probably Monday, something like that. And I hope you're going to enjoy it, and I hope you're going to find it helpful. And if there's anything you think we can do a little bit better, then let me know about that too. Okay, hwyl am y tro.